Yinker VGA KVM series, as a common solution with 1080p 60Hz resolution, is a more stable and cost-effective solution for ordinary users and servers manager. The professional 2-in-1 KVM cable can minimize cable mess. The cables in different lengths can meet various needs. The additional USB 2.0 hub allows other USB devices like USB printers, USB speakers, or U-discs. USB camera is not allowed. 2-port KVM and 4-port KVM can meet various needs for homework and office. 8-port KVM and 16-port KVM can settle for studio and server room. The package includes everything you need for installation. Support plug and play. Also, Yinker offers LCD VGA KVM with integrated monitor, keyboard, touchpad and drawer. Actualized server room integration management in one unit.